August 5th, stock playbook. Listen, we have stocks, we got the market. We just giving you guys a free trial. Come check out our site. We're getting emails. People are getting crushed. We're making money. You get crazy volatility like this, you can make some money. We got losers. We got plenty of them. But look at some of our winners. WWWW, we had as an earnings play. It's been on our radar for 2 weeks. We were buying the $12.50 calls. They were at 0 by 5 cents, 2 days ago. You could. I started buying them at 25 cents. WWW, huge run. Again, Kramer spoke about it last night after yesterday's huge run. Marchex, one of our earnings plays that actually missed, had a nice 22% pop today in this down crazy market. Sally Beauty Holdings, we highlighted for our clients. FIO, a name that we talked about in here before, came out with great revenues and earnings last night. We added that to our IPO focus list. Nice little pop today. But it's all about the market. I mean, the Dow Jones today finished up 60 points, but that doesn't tell the story. We were up 170. We fell 400 points to be down 230. Then we rallied almost 400 points intraday. These intraday swings are huge. All right, here's just look at our locker room. This is what you people are missing if you're not checking this out. Look at this morning. Before the open this morning, we talked about how there was easy fade set up. So here's an easy fade. What we did, we shorted the S&P E-mini futures at the open. Let me go ahead and pull up the S&P, the 5-minute chart, just to give you an idea how volatile this day was. The S&P futures, here we are at the open. We have a 5-minute chart. Here we go. Here's today, the 15th. We have this huge rally. We get up to 1218. Within 20 minutes, we drop. We shorted this open. We were actually short before the open, okay? We're short before the open on the futures. But we get a 1218, drops down to 1190. I mean, that's 30 points. But we said, you know what? Let's take some easy money and we'll play for a bounce again, and then we can look to see if we get a retest. So then we go long. We catch about 10 points out of the 18, 17 points that rally here. Then we go short again. Our logic at the time is we'll do for a little back test of that 1190-ish area. Their 1180 was our number. Again, going back, this isn't just stuff we make up, okay? Let's go back here, this morning. So now that was easy money at 9:55, 25 minutes into the day. Take your profits off. Let's see what develops. 1180-ish looks like a nice target for a snapback, but we have to be patient. There could be a whoosh lower. It all depends on what the news out of Europe is. I'm thinking we're going to get a bounce on Monday or Tuesday. But here we are at 1118. We put on a quarter position, and then again at 1127, we've added another quarter position because now news is coming out of, here we go. So now we're down, we're whooshing lower, we're short. We then reverse and go long right down here at 1180 on the S&P, okay, with the futures. And then we get this snapback. We add more at 1175, 1180, and then we get this rally up to 1210, 1215. That's 30 points. And then we're taking some more profits, and I held a large chunk to be long going into Monday because I'm thinking there's going to be a huge rally. But now after the close, there's rumors of S&P downgrading our debt, which means all bets are off. We're going lower again. This market is crazy. The volatility is insane. I haven't seen 100-point moves in 15 minutes on Dow. 400 points up. We went 400 points down today and then 400 points back up today. That's how crazy the market is. It's black boxes. It's high-frequency trading. Dodd-Frank, more government regulation, took banks away from, trading the markets for their own profits. So the liquidity is dried up. You can expect a lot more of this volatility. If the S&P does not downgrade our debt between now and Monday, and the ECB, which said they'll buy Spanish and Italian bonds if they get specific reforms, I was thinking we can get a nice 40, 50-point rally in the S&P up to the 1240, 1250 area. and make a ton of money on that rally. But now talks of a downgrade. We got an FOMC meeting on Tuesday. It could get ugly again. I think we could go lower. People are asking me how much lower, and I don't want to be that fear mongerer. People accuse me of that all the time. But I think we could test the 1,000 level. That's 200 S&P points lower from here. Still, if we get a downgrade of debt, and if we fail to hold 1,000, we'll be talking about the Great Recession and the Great Depression all over again. It'll get ugly as interest rates start climbing with our debt getting downgraded. So I can't think of a better time to have a product like ours to try to hold your hand and help you navigate these markets. Sign up for a free trial. I'll talk to you on Monday.